on the hunt for caterpillars. Daughter's a biologist. She is going to do a presentation, and she promised live animals. Anyways, we're looking for woolly bears. What else are we looking for?
Spotted tussock moth caterpillars. Another native species. Great. Virginia tiger moth caterpillars. And then fingered dagger moths. I saw one the other day, but I haven't seen them for a while. But it was pretty young. They're usually a little bit later in the season. So are woolly bears, but I don't know. If they're happy, they're happy. Oh, happy spider. European orb weaver. This guy, or European cross spider. You can tell because it has a cross on its back.
They don't jump, do they?
You can see the white cross on its back. Berry grass. Evil. Evil.
It makes good whistles.
They were brought over for cows. They are not actually that nutritious. Thimbleberry is happy this year. It's very soft. People joke that it's the softest toilet papers. We have some stink bugs. I think these are our native ones. Woolly bear. Isabella tiger moth caterpillar. Banded woolly bear. Oh, it's this really tiny one. This is its little defense mechanism here. Urticating hairs here. Hollow hairs that are got poison in there.
Poison?
Yeah, or actually venom. Venomous stinging hairs. There you go. Urticating hairs, stinging hairs. Oops. Oh look, it's starting to move. He's like, what's going on?
What is that thing?
It is a Virginia tiger moth caterpillar. It becomes this bright white, very pretty moth with a little bit of black and a little bit of orange on it.
How do you find ones? I didn't even know how you spot them.
Well, that's kind of cool. There's some
crazy.
aphid exuviae on it.
Here's my find.
It's very
A
cool.
bug on a rock on a post. What are you doing, man?
If you look really closely, it's a moth.
And what's the name of it again?
Raspberry crown borer. You can definitely tell. Like, look at the antenna, look at the face, the head on this guy, the wings. See, it's a little moth.
That's cool.
Got all the moth anatomy, and it looks like, if you look at its face, you can tell. Pretty happy.
Yeah.
There's a harvestman, which is not a spider.
Well, that's about it. We came, we saw. Any last remarks?
There are lots of fun things to see outside.
Yeah, you just
go
gotta
look
know where
for
to
them.
look for them.
You should. No. You don't have to know where to look for them. Just
And
go
for
look.
$9.95 a minute, Christy will take you in the wilderness and show you.
You just have to go out and look for things.
Thank you.